Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G Vijaya Manorama. Hope you all are safe. Subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. Okay, as a part of light reflection and refraction, today we are going to discuss refraction of light numericals. We are going to discuss. Okay, so before starting, one good saying, there is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs. Okay, all the steps you need to follow to finish off that chapter, that is the success. Okay, so that will give you the success when you solve each and every numerical according to my class. According to this class I am speaking, each and every step whichever I am telling, according to that if you follow, definitely you are going to score high. Okay, चलो. सो लेंस फॉर्मूला हमने पढ़ा था ना. लेंस फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1/f इक्वल टू 1/v माइनस 1/u. इट गिव्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द फोकल लेंथ, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस एंड इमेज डिस्टेंस, राइट. सो और एक फॉर्मूला हमने पढ़ा था, मैग्निफिकेशन m इक्वल टू hi/ho. hi is height of the image and ho is height of the object. Another also we have the formula m is equal to v by u. Okay, and according to the refractive index, one formula we read, n equal to c by v. So with lens formula, refractive index, magnification and power of lens, by using these all formulas we are going to solve the numericals today. Power of the lens p is equal to 1/f. okay, chalo. So what do you mean by refractive index of a diamond is 2.42? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? That you have to, you can solve in the form of sum, or else you can tell this with the help of refractive index formula also. What do you mean by refractive index? Refractive index equal to, refractive index means, से अपना नोट्स बनाना, अपना खुद का नोट्स बनाने से यू विल फील वेरी सेटिस्फाइड. अंडरस्टैंड? इफ यू कॉपी, अपना कॉपी पेन ले लो, जितना ज़्यादा हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो, उनको भी बोलो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. ओके, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इक्वल टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम और एयर by speed of light in, कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लिख सकते हो इसका आंसर, इन द मीडियम. ओके, so this is the formula, n equal to c by v. This is the formula. So the refractive index of diamond is given as 2.42. n equal to 2.42. It means that the ratio of the speed of the light in the vacuum or air and the speed of the light in the diamond, medium is the diamond here, right? So is equal to 2.42. okay, you have to write down the answer as the refractive index of the diamond is 2.42. It means that the ratio of the speed of the light in the vacuum or air and the speed of the light in the diamond is equal to 2.42. okay, so hope it is clear. Then go to the second sum. Here, a beam of light when it passes from air to a substance x. okay, substance is x here. okay, so if the angle of incidence is 45 degrees, a beam of light passes from air, double it was. okay, substance x. So if the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the angle of refraction is 30 degrees, calculate the refractive index of substance x. You can use the formulas, you can use the values as 30 degrees is 1/2 or 45 degrees is 1/√2, or else in the examination you will get the values as sin 30 degrees equal to 0.5 ना. 1/2 का मतलब क्या होता है? 0.5 only. You can consider that also. Sin 45 degrees equal to 0.707. okay, with these values also you can solve. So what is the given here? Refractive index of x you need to find. It is 8. refractive index of x with respect to 8 equal to sin I by Snell's law जो है ना हमने पढ़ा है वही यूज करना है, sin I by sin r. ओके, what are the things given here? given part पहले आपको लिखना है, राइट? sin I equal to 45 degrees, sin r equal to 30 degrees given, right? So sin I का क्या होता है? sin I is given as sin 45 degrees and sin r is given as sin 30 degrees, right? So sin 45 degrees कितना है? 0.707 and sin 30 degrees is 0.500. if you solve it, point गया. okay, 5 ones are 5, 1.414. so refractive index of substance x equal to 1.414. so this you have to keep in the box. okay, you will get this as 2 mark question. okay, for this given part half mark, for this complete 1.5 means यहाँ पे आपका half mark गया, यहाँ पे calculation का 1 mark, and for this it is half mark. okay, like this the यहाँ पे 2 हाँ, yeah, here it is totally it is 1 mark only. okay, so यहाँ totally it is 1 mark. like this if you solve it very clearly with the given part also, then it is clear to you, right? next sum. The speed of the light in water is 2.25 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second, and that of the glass is 2 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second. So calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to water. So speed of the light in the water, what are the things given? given part क्या है? speed of the light in the water is given as 2.25 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second, right? speed of the light in glass is equal to 2 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second. okay, as we know that refractive index of glass with respect to water you need to find out. So speed of light in water. See, all of you please practice these sums along with me. You can pause and you can solve, and later on you can check the answer, right? speed of light in glass. okay, क्या होगा इसका? speed of the light in water what is given? 2.25 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second by speed of the light in the glass is 2 into 10 to power of 8 meters per second. solve करो, you will get 2 ones are 2, 1.125. the refractive index of glass with respect to water is 1 point of glass with respect to water is 1.125. keep it in the box, right? now next question is, an object of 5 centimeters in length is held 25 centimeters away from the converging lens. converging lens का मतलब क्या होता है? concave lens या convex lens? already diagram I have given the lens, that's why converging lens of focal length 10 centimeters. draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. okay, so what are the things given here? given क्या क्या दिया गया है? u equal to minus 25 centimeters as it is the left side. so 1 minute यहाँ पे मैं एक बार प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ. so that no confusion with that. okay, so ये हो गया हमारा F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2, right? So now just check. Optical center. An object of 5 centimeters is in length is held 25 centimeters away from a converging lens. Focal length 10 centimeters. Focal length कितना दिया गया है? 10 centimeters दिया गया है. Okay, 10 centimeters. Object of 5 centimeters in length held 25 centimeters पर है object. Then where the object is placed? 10, यहाँ पे 20 हो जाएगा. So object is placed here, right? Object is placed here. So if the object is behind 2F1 or behind C, where the image will form? Where the image will form? In between F2 and 2F2, right? So now it is easy to find out the accurate result, right? So ऐसे अगर आप ray diagram find out कर सकते हैं along with the calculations which were given, accurate answer you will get, right? So now you can find out the answer. Okay, so यहाँ पे object है, so behind the incident, behind the ray of incidence, against the ray of incidence, that's why we are taking the value as negative. focal length is positive. lenses का convex lens का इसका focal length यहाँ पे है, इसलिए it will be positive. height of the object is given as 5 centimeters. You have to find out V, you have to find out HI, right? So now the formula is 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. If you have calculated before me also, you can write down in the comment section the answer. देखते हैं कौन सबसे पहले आंसर देता है. Okay, so now you need to find out 1 by V equal to 1 by V, no? So let me 1 by V minus 1 by minus 25 equal to 1 by 10. Let me place the values which were already given, right? So 1 by V plus 1 by 25 minus minus plus हो जाएगा ना, 1 by 10. So 1 by V equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25, right? 10 और 25 का LCM 50. 5 minus 2 equal to 3 by 50, right? So V equal to 50 by 3 equal to 16.67 centimeters आ जाएगा. So as the optical center of the convex lens from the right, the image formed at a distance of 16.67 centimeters from the optical center of the convex lens, 16.6. So that's why it is along with the incident light ray, that's why plus. So we got the value less than 20 only, less than 20. focal length इसका 10 है, तो यहाँ पे भी focal length इसका 10 होगा. C or 2F2 it will be 20. So below 20 only we must get the answer. With the diagram only we have understood, right? So now find out the magnification. V equal to 16.67 centimeters. इसको box में रख दो, right? Now find out magnification. M equal to HI by HO equal to V by U, right? Magnification is not needed, you can find out directly. HI equal to 5 into 16.67 by minus 25. If you have doubt, you can place here, right? HI by 5 equal to 16.67 by minus 25, right? Now 5 into 16.67 by minus 25, 5 is 25. Okay, कितना आएगा? 16.67 by 5. What is the answer? Minus 3.3. So HI equal to minus 3.3 centimeters is the answer, height of the image, right? यहाँ पे what is asked, ray diagram हमने draw कर दिया, right? Ray diagram is drawn. Find the position find where the image is formed, size is formed. Now what you have to find out, nature of the image. Nature of the image is real and inverted. Okay, real and inverted. Height of the object is 5 centimeters, so height of the image is 3.3. It is diminished, right? Real and inverted and diminished. समझ में आया? Then we'll go for next question. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeters forms an image of 10 centimeters. Right? 10 centimeters from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram also. Understand? Now, concave lens. Concave lens, ये हो गया आपका ऑप्टिकल सेंटर F1 to F1, F2 to F2. Okay, a concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeters. Focal length इसका 15 and forms an image of 10 centimeters. मीन्स 15 से यहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा. यहाँ पे अगर फॉर्म है तो कहाँ है ऑब्जेक्ट? ऑब्जेक्ट कहीं यहाँ पे है 2F, राइट? राइट, राइट. यहाँ पे आपका 10 सेंटीमीटर्स इमेज फॉर्मेशन भी हमने दिखा दिया, राइट? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द सम, राइट? सो या व्हाट आर द थिंग्स गिवन? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स गिवन पार्ट में क्या क्या है? फोकल लेंथ इज गिवन f इक्वल टू -15 सेंटीमीटर्स. फोकल लेंथ इसका माइनस, एवरीथिंग इज हियर ओनली, नो, दैट्स व्हाई एवरीथिंग विल बी minus only. Oh, I have not kept arrows. If you won't keep the arrows for the ray diagrams, it means it is incomplete. You must show the ray diagrams, right? फोकल लेंथ हो गया -15, v हो गया हमारा 10 सेंटीमीटर्स इज गिवन, u you need to find, right? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by -10 minus 1 by u equal to 1 by -15, right? 1 by, okay, minus 1 by u equal to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. minus 1 by u equal to LCM हो गया हमारा 30 minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 by 30. So object distance they asked, object distance is -30 centimeters, right? Image कैसा होगा इसका? हमेशा virtual and erect and diminished, right? चलो, a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeters. At what distance from the lens should the object be placed so that it forms an image at 15 centimeters from the lens? Okay, फटाफट से सॉल्व कर देते हैं इसका, राइट? गिवन क्या क्या है लिखो. मेरे से पहले आपको सॉल्व करना है. यू हैव टू सॉल्व बिफोर मी. ओके, हु विल डू इट फर्स्ट? लेट अस सी. फोकल लेंथ हो गया हमारा -20 सेंटीमीटर्स. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Focal length is -20 equal to 1 by -15 minus 1 by u. Okay, -1/u equal to 1/-20 plus 1/15, 1/u -3 plus 4/60, u equal to -60 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट। ओके, u हमारा आ गया। मैग्निफिकेशन m इक्वल टू v/u, लेंस इसमें माइनस नहीं रहता है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज। ओके, ये हो गया हमारा बॉक्स में u, राइट। मैग्निफिकेशन का -15/-60 equal to 1/4. So positive sign shows that the image is virtual and erect. The image is 1/4 of the size of the object. So u हो गया हमारा -60 सेंटीमीटर्स, मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया हमारा 1/4। ओके, सो ये दोनों को बॉक्स में डाल देना है आपको। नेक्स्ट, a 2.5 centimeters tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 15 centimeters. The distance of the object from the lens is 30 centimeters. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. बहुत ही लंबा है, देखते हैं कौन सबसे पहले करता है। कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना आंसर लिख देना। ओके, u equal to -30 centimeters, f equal to +15 centimeters. It is a convex lens, focal length positive होगा। Height of the object is given as +2.5 centimeters. v, right, 1/f equal to 1/v minus 1/u, right? So 1/v minus 1/-30 equal to 1/15. 1/v plus 1/30 equal to 1/15. 1/v equal to 1/15 minus 1/30. चलो 1/v equal to एल्सियम ले लो 30, 2 minus 1 equal to 1/30. v हो गया हमारा v equal to +30 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट। पॉजिटिव साइन है, सो राइट साइड होगा हमारा रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज। सो v हो गया हमारा बॉक्स में। चलो नेक्स्ट, m इक्वल टू hi/ho इक्वल टू v/u, राइट। hi you need to find 30 into 12.5 by -30. 30 गया कैंसिल। Here you can just place hi/2.5 equal to 30 by -30. You can cancel here itself, right? Equal to -2.5 centimeters. Magnification is -1. Okay, -1 if it is showing, it means that real and inverted same size image. Understood? Chalo. Find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meters. What is the power formula? Given क्या है? f equal to -2 meters, right? p equal to 1/f. In meters you have to write. So if you put the value 1/-2 equal to -0.5 diopters. कॉन्केव लेंस का फोकल लेंथ माइनस होता है। चलो, a convex lens has forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeters from it. Where is the needle placed in front of a convex lens if the image is equal to the size of the object? Also find the power of the lens. Okay, so क्या क्या given है? Inverted image at a distance of 50 centimeters. V is given as 50 centimeters. Convex lens का V है। Okay, U you need to find, right? So यहाँ पे m equal to hi/ho equal to -v/u. Magnification is 1 equal to the size of the object, right? So यहाँ पे -50/u equal to 1. So u equal to हमारा -50 centimeters. Both are same, u and v. Understand? So now the image is equal to the size of the object which is given. So image formed by a convex lens is same size as the object when the object is placed at 2f. So 2f equal to 50 centimeters. So f equal to 25 centimeters equal to 25 by 100 meters 1 by 4 meters. Understood? Right? So P equal to 1 by F 1 by 4 meters equal to 4 diopters. One minute. A convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters. What is the power? What is the power? So F equal to 20 centimeters equal to 20 by 100 equal to 0.2 meters. So P is equal to 1 by F equal to 1.02 1 into 10 by 2 equal to 5. P equal to plus 5 diopters. Right? Hope you understood each and every question. So just practice, pause the question, pause the video and try to practice it. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो बच्चों. Be strong, be confident, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.